Hello and welcome to the GenderGP and Jecca Blac makeup series. We will be doing videos on eyeliner, foundation matching, how to contour and much more. This is just a quick tutorial around how to quickly create a makeover, but if you wanted to learn more then please do watch our videos that go into more detail. So firstly, I'm going to be applying the Hydrate primer from Jecca Blac. This primer has been designed for all skin types, so you don't have to have dry skin as such. I'm just going to apply it all over the face. Then I'm grooming the eyebrows with a mascara wand. And then I'm going to go in with an eyebrow shadow, which is the same as an eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to define the ends of the brow. Then I'm going to go in with the Correct to Conceal palette, one of the creams, Corrector from the 3.0 palette, to start creating a canvas on the eye. Using powder on top as well to just make sure that the concealer is set, and then going in with Play Pot in Pink Pearl. Then I'm going to start by creating an eyeliner. As mentioned before, if you want to know more details about how to create the perfect eyeliner for you, please do watch our eyeliner tutorial on the GenderGP platform. Then going in with some mascara and a little bit more of an eyeliner, just to define the eyes. Once I applied the Correct and Conceal palette all over the face, I'm then going to go in and start by doing some contouring. We have created a tutorial around contouring, so please do watch if you're interested to know more about how to contour for your needs. I'm using the Sculpt and Soften palette in Light. The Sculpt and Soften palette comes with a 34-page manual that teaches you how to create the contour for you. Then going in with Play Pot Red Touch, just to add some colour onto the cheeks and a bit on the forehead. This just brings back a bit of colour onto the face, blending it away nicely into the face. This is a cream product. They're called Play Pots, the collection, and they are cream pigments that can be used on eyes, lips and cheeks. And then a finished look, just adding a little bit of lipstick from my long-lasting lipstick collection. And this shade is You Are You. The matte, long-lasting lipstick that stays and is very high pigmented, is very long-lasting. And that is the finished look. I hope you enjoy our tutorial series and thanks for watching.